been cooped up in this Mini Cooper, singing to myself, going through drive-through after drive-through, looking for some help. I miss my family and my girl and my friends there by my side. If you feel the beat and you're feeling me, then come on, let's ride. We need a bigger bus to get our friends on, more windows and more aisles, party in the front, party in the back. We'll go swaying side to side down the highway of surrender. Our wheels go round and round, we'll get all the bumper stickers from all the places that we found. Need a bigger bus. We need a bigger bus. You can bring your friends, they can sing too. You can even bring your mama, as long as she can hold the tune. You can bring it all and let those ears fly out in the wind.